Good morning, all of you. Ashok Kumar Misra. Today, going to continue with the fourth chapter of the class fifth using a mail merge. Mail merge क्या है? In business term, like the official matter, and in which we have always need to send a letter to the similar information for the different peoples. The letter required name and address to each recipients to be printed on the heading of the letters. So, mail merge features of Microsoft Word is used to combine the data source which contains all the address with the mail document. It saves our times and energy to send letter at the multiple address. So, Microsoft Words mail merge is very useful features of the Microsoft Words. Mail merge features is used to send letter with the similar information to the number of the people at different address. A mail merge features combines two document, one main document and other data source. And main document contains the text you wish to send all the recipients. And merge field is a data item which instruct Microsoft Word about where to insert the data source information in the main document. And the data source consists of a mailing list, for example, name, address, city, PIN, telephone number, etc. Now fill in the blanks. The main document and the main dash contains all the text that we send all the recipients. Answer is main document. Second, the tab key helps you to move between the fields while typing the data. And third, the data is organized in a tabular form along with the field names. Fourth, a tick mark gives an indication that a record is selected. And fifth, the data is organized in a tabular form along with the field name data source. These are the fill in the blanks. Now true and false. First, main document consists of a mailing address. Statement is false. Second, field is a column in a data source that contains one type of information. True. Third, mail merge field is the features that is used to combine a recipient's list with the main document. A statement is true. And fourth, preview results option on the mailing tab display the first record from the data source. Fourth, a statement is true. And fifth, two main component required during a mail merge process are the main document. A statement is false. These are the true false. And now MCQ, multiple choice questions. First, the dash is a row on a data sheet which consists of a numbers of field. Answer is record. Second, the dash is the data. The dash is the data item which can instruct Microsoft Word where to insert the data source. Answer is merge field. Third, to create new recipients list, select the dash radio button. Answer, type a new list. And fourth, which of the following document does not require the use of mail merge features? A statement is pamphlets. And fifth, use of an existing list option allow you to pick data source later from dash. Answer is a spreadsheet. Now answer in one words. In mail merge, where do you organize data in a tabular form along with the field name? Answer is data source. Which tab do you select the execute the mail merge option? Answer is mailing. And third question, which option is used to print a mail merge document? Answer is print document. And fourth, which part of the data sheet display one type of information, and answer is field. And which option you use to preview the final mail merge document, answer is preview result under the mailing tabs. Thank you. Next day I will continue the question of this chapter. Thank you. Goodbye.